Okay, I made it home. This crazy day out in the snow. Holy moly. This is maddening. Super windy like a hurricane. Snow's falling like you wouldn't believe. You really can't tell that well in this video, but it is coming down. Maybe this will help. Not really. But I mean, we've got on the wood a couple inches on the wood, easily. On the grass, probably an inch and a half. My grass is high, but definitely coming down here in Pennsylvania, bro. Pittsburgh, PA. I gotta go to the other door because that's just maddening. There's at least a little windbreak over here. Oh, made it worse. But look at this, man. You can't even see the houses out there. Usually a lot to see. I love it. Driveway's black, so snow don't ever last. Great for winter. Snow blow a little bit. My little trees are doing pretty good still. See all my flags blowing. That's the Steeler flag, y'all. Terrible towel flag. Yeah, because we're a Pittsburgh Steeler fan up here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. But I think I got some big things coming. I'm going to do on my site. Bigfoot story time. I think I might call it Bigfooting with BMAC. Y'all have a great day. I love snow, man. Just love it, love it, love it. So have a great day. Chat at y'all later.